Where could he be? Where could Rennie be? I'm gonna get you. Where'd he go? This is what we do every day, several times a day. I'm gonna be really sneaky. Nope. He put the toy down. We're gonna get him. Sorry, Checkers, to jump over ya.